something I'll do every now and then is take my dog on a walk. And this helps with balance because I have pretty bad balance because of my cerebral palsy. But I just know because she's part beagle, she'll go sniffing after anything similar to that. And I'll have to keep my foot in, which isn't always easy to do. Almost home now. We had a good walk. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.